Okay, everyone. So here we are with a new amazing batch, a JavaScript. So without JavaScript, no one can imagine about a modern web development. And whatever libraries are available, which we try to use frequently for web development to develop any kind of a portal or maybe a system. So base is a JavaScript at the end of the day. So here is a JavaScript batch that we have, and this batch will be available in Hindi. We'll try to bring a JavaScript in English as well. But yeah, as of now, we have Hindi available in our catalog, and we are going to start this batch from 25th of January. Saturday, Sunday is going to be the class 7 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST, and price of this particular batch is nominal. Plus, with Huron Plus, you don't have to go and buy this particular batch. You can just go and enjoy this particular batch. Here is a syllabus that you can try to check out. It's an amazing batch that we have created where we are going to discuss about everything in very depth and in a detail. And obviously, Prince is going to take care of this batch, and he's an amazing mentor, by the way. Plus, we are going to integrate lots of AI capabilities because AI is an integrated part of any project that you are going to build in a real time in your next company, in your for your next client, or whatever like work that you are going to do. Without AI nowadays, you will not be able to do anything. So keeping that in mind, so we have done a lot of integration plus all the projects that we have listed down over here. So everything is coming from an AI, right? Everything is coming from an AI. So we are trying to power this entire things with respect to an AI so that you all will be able to enjoy. And then we are going to talk about your career preparation, your resume, interviews, each and everything, and what you are supposed to do next after learning this entire JavaScript. And price is very, very nominal, guys. Like I said, so we as a Huron always known for uh, affordability with a premium quality. So keeping that in mind, price is nominal. And yes, so if you have this subscription, one student, one subscription, Huron Plus. So in that case, you are not supposed to go and buy any of these batches. It's completely fine. You can just go and enjoy the learning. And as of now, we are running a New Year offer. So where we are giving you 10% of discount. So please go and enjoy, and hope all of you are going to like it. All the listed batch you will be able to find out inside this tab called as Huron Courses. So here you can see the details in one single place without hovering over a multiple pages at a time. So here is the thing, guys. We have a lot of things in a live mode, in a self-paced mode, in a English as well as in a Hindi, in a different timelines. So please go and check out and enjoy. Let me know about your feedback. So what you feel, what and all courses we are supposed to bring in a future. So maybe you can give us a suggestion and we are going to follow that part. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. See you again in my next launch video.